Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know, I'm back better than ever. Just kidding. No, I'm back just with a different hairstyle because I've been gone for so long. I do want to do like another update video because I feel like I haven't updated you guys on my life. I've just kind of been MIA, living my life, working out, trying to lose some lbs, and working my 10 jobs. No, I really do have a lot of jobs, which is another video I wanted to do on how you guys can make money. So that's going to be coming very soon. But in the meantime, I did want to throw in a video for you guys. Anyways, this is my work bag. It's stuffed to the brim, most of it. This is a bag that my mom got me when she went on vacation to, was it Japan or China? I don't even remember. She was so excited. I asked her if this was real, and she is like a typical mom. She doesn't know. So you know what? I don't care. I really don't care. If it's real, it's fake. The fact that my mom got it for me is so sweet. So anyways, I'm using it. This is the bag. I actually have not gone through it, so hopefully there's nothing crazy. It's dirty. Normally all my other what's in my bags are so neat, but this one's a little messy just because I really use it on a daily basis. So let's just dig in here. I have my little wallet, that I have my cash. I don't really carry cash that much, but I do have some dollars. I actually have just these $2 bills because they're lucky, guys. They're lucky. I have my Metro card in here. I have coupons because your girl be wanting to save some monies. And, ooh, some coins in here too. Gum, because that is a necessity wherever you go. ID, you know, typical wallet things. What else is in here? I have sunscreen. This is so important for everybody watching this. Take sunscreen with you wherever you go. It's so important. I wear sunscreen, or at least I try to wear it every single day and reapply it, because you know you have to reapply every 80 minutes. I try really hard to stay consistent with this. And lately, like, my workouts have been going walking, and I try to fit it in where I could get it in, and that's sometimes in between jobs. So I go walking and I need sunscreen, or I have an umbrella in my car that I use. No shame in my game. I don't want to get sun damage because that is so hard to like reverse when it comes to the damage that the sun does. So have sunscreen. This one is SPF 30. I do reapply it. It's from Kula. I love Kula. They actually sent me this one. That's why I have it in here, but it's so good. So good. It's a really good brand, all natural. That's in there. I have my little notebook that I actually write a bunch of notes in. I've had this notebook for quite a while, and then I put like this little tab to let me know, you know, where I'm at. So I just make notes on work things or stuff that I have to do, like if I need a hard copy to-do list, things like that. I'm pretty organized when it comes to my to-do list. I always do everything that I got to do on it, so this helps me out a lot to take notes and things like that. I have this little pouch that I got on Amazon. This is for your computer stuff. I have this charger and my little connect, because as you'll see, my laptop doesn't have any of these little ports, which is so annoying. But I guess that is what you get when you have a really compact, small laptop like I do. I will show it to you right now. So this is also, I like that this like match. That's why I got it. But anyways, this one fits my little laptop. I will say that the students that see my laptop absolutely love my laptop. I get so many compliments about my laptop. This is pretty much my signature. I'm always on my laptop when I'm subbing. So I'm constantly either you take roll and do all those kind of stuff on like the laptop, if you got to email the teacher, if you got to do anything like that. I normally do like other work stuff on here. Meanwhile, you know, they're working on their classwork. But anyways, I love this laptop. I have an unboxing video that I'll link below of when I unboxed this one. But yeah, I really, 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 really like that laptop. And as you will see in the last video that I did unboxing it, it's a refurbished one. So it's a refurbished laptop, but it works just as new. I've always bought new laptops, always bought new everything, but yeah, just get it refurbished. I have my ID card. Oops, that fell off. You guys, this, that's my ID card. just because I work a couple school districts, and one of the school districts, it's like mandatory to have an ID card when you're on campus, which, you know, safety. I have this little note thingy. I have this for my little, you know, cup. If you don't know, you don't know. And then I have this, which I have mentioned before, but it's my absolute favorite thing in the world, just because, like I said, I have so many different jobs that I go to. I normally work at least like 2 to 3 jobs a day. So when I'm going places after, I don't have time to charge my phone. So I have this portable charger with me that I will link below. I got it on Amazon. Amazing. I've had it for a couple years now and it still works just as new. And then I also have the little cube thing if I need to charge my phone that way. So I have this. It's very handy. Ooh, I turned it on. Oops. It turns off by itself. So yeah, that's important. I have a notebook. This is not a notebook. I have a folder that just has like important documents and things like that that I need either on the job or stuff that I need to do. And normally I get my to-do list done at work because I'm concentrating. I'm in a quiet space, so I work. Or if there's like a free period and I have a chance to get through some things, I do. I have my USB thing that has all my like documents, photos, and stuff like that that I would need in there. I have, see, this really is unorganized. I have a lip balm that goes in my little emergency kit, which I will show you right now. So this is my emergency kit. I have normally everything organized in here, but I think I was looking for something the other day and that's why I just left it all wonky. Anyways, I have this little cute emergency kit that I have come up with so that anytime I change bags, I just, you know, grab this and put this in like my everyday or something like that, just because this is a big necessity, like my just in case bag. So this is what it has inside. Gum that only has 2 pieces. Another gum that has 3 pieces. So gum, my lip balm that I showed you guys. I have Purell, Kleenex, dry mouth moisturizing mints. I have a little Listerine. My God, these are a must-have. I get migraines all the time, so I need some ibuprofen. I have a little perfume. Oh my God, this is what spilled. Yeah, this is what spilled. So this is a YSL perfume that literally smells so good, and I was wondering what made my bag smell this good. Yeah, it's the YSL. This one is going in the garbage because it spilled. I don't even use that, to be honest. I have blotting sheets, which it's like brand new in the wrapper. I don't really use that either because I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. I have a Tide to Go mini, which I've never used. Tylenol, because, you know, headaches. Have alcohol swab, which is probably dried up. I'm not sure. I have these chill pills, which are also mints. I was like, what are these? These are mints, chill pill mints. I think I got them from like, I don't know. I got them a long time ago. I have Band-Aids because, you know, shit happens. Either I get cut or kids at school need a Band-Aid or something. I have it. Let's see. I have these stress relief CBD like pills that, you know, being in a school teaching, you will be stressed. You will be stressed. Let's just be real. So I need those. I also have these Listerine. You know, I'm all about fresh breath. So I also have this little degree. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is the Listerine thing. Anyways, I have a little degree deodorant, which, you know, looks kind of old. So I'm going to throw this out just because that looks pretty old. And then I have this body lotion that actually smells good. Yeah, so Bath and Body Works. So that is what's in that little bag. What else do I have in here? Keys. Oh my gosh. See, I'm a good girl. I did not eat these, but I was given these chocolates yesterday. I have my hair. Cool. Oh my gosh, how much I want to eat them right now. But yeah, they kind of melted a little bit, but I have chocolates because it was just Halloween and everybody wants to give me chocolate. And AirPods, just because I can't live without my AirPods. I could be like plugged in. No one will know. And pens. So I have pens. That is everything. That is everything. So hopefully you guys like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be pumping out more videos. I already have another video coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. I am also filming a couple new ones this week, so now with this like casual setup, I think I will film a lot more just because I am so lazy. I'm a lazy human being and I don't want to have to set up all my lighting, and I'm such a perfectionist, and this lighting is great, to be honest. It's the middle of the day. I have lights on this side from my vanity that I DIY'd. By the way, it looks so cute. I also want to do like an updated room tour. My room hasn't changed so much, but I've gotten a more minimalistic approach that my room does look a little bit different. So I thought I would do a room tour, an updated room tour for you guys as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys all next week, and thank you so much for watching.